Hello guys, so today I want to eat Amala and Ewedu, a popular Yoruba food. I haven't tried it, and today I will try it. I'm from Igbo. I have eaten the fish though, but let me try the soup. Let me try the soup. I have not eaten it. I just took some part of the fish out. Let me just honest review. This is honest review of an Igbo girl trying to eat Ewedu and Amara. Wow. Wow. It's so hot. It's so hot. Like, it's so pepperish. But it's still nice though. Wow. It's so pepperish. It's so pepperish. Whew. But it's fine. I think it's fine. It's not even I think, it's fine. It's fine. I like the soup. But being Igbo girl, it's so pepperish for me. You understand? But if you like pepper, I believe you will love it so much. I like the taste. I like everything. This is honest review. I like everything about this food because I have eaten I ate the fish before start eating the food. It's so nice. Wow. And this Amala now that we are seeing is very healthy. It's very healthy. Ah, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. So tell me when you are going to try your own. Bye. See you on my next one. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel, please, 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 please.